Girls walking through the soybean field at Pete's Berry Farm. Come on, girls. Let's go get those groundhogs. Come on. Where are they? Good girls. I know you can find them. I know you can find them. Good girls. Where are they? Where are they? Where are they? Okay. Where are they? Where are they? There's the blueberries. And there's the girls. Good girls. Where are they? Where are they? Alrighty. Come on, let's